Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Pogachnik. Right now, I am in Schoology. Schoology is going to be the resource we use the most this year, and it will walk you through, and I will walk you through where your grades can be found and where the course materials can be found. To get into Schoology, you need to access Clever. Clever is your first name _ last name graduation year. So for me, it'd be Dean _ Pogachnik 95 at ardale.org. Your password will be your student ID. Once you get in, what you'll find is recent activity. You'll see kind of a series of announcements. What we need to do is get into your course. Now, this is going to look a little bit weird because my course is archived, so I have to go in and find my course. Now, the course you're going to be looking for is, here we go, science. There we go. So when you pull up the course, here's what you will see. You will see a series of units. Inside each unit, you will find chapters. And inside each of these, you will find the various different items you need to do. So to go back, you can go right back to where we just were. Click up here. It'll take you back one spot. Now you can see all the different sections within Chapter 4, or you can go back again and see everything. There you go. To find your grades, you go into the grade book. Now there's nothing set up in there yet, so there's nothing for you to see, but this is where you can check to see what your grades will be. Okay, and then in updates will show any sort of update I have for you. So if there is something that you need to know, it will be typed in here. And that's about all you really need to know so far right now. As far as your course, there we go. We can always go back to materials. And again, you will find everything in here that you need. It's all set up, hopefully, very simply. Okay? And that's it for this video.